this is without a doubt the best in each
Chimps video. And the reason is because I'm still getting comments that my other ones are causing trouble for some people.
Chimps mode. Here's a guide / walkthrough on it for update 1.6. I can assure you chimps today.
I'm still getting comments that my other ones are causing
what I
trouble
think
for
is
some
the
people.
easiest mode. Anybody can. So let's make it. So as you can tell,
One
Ours are very dark.
Works out pretty well. After getting that unafraid victory, you want to save up for Striker Jones. This is not a Gwendolyn strategy, but a Striker Jones strategy, because he has very powerful chips, and like I said, it's really consistent and easy. So Striker Jones is going to level himself up, then you want to spend your time healing 0-1. I believe the exact order is 1-0-0.
Today we're going to be playing Monkey Game. I'm going to be playing the first Chimps challenge. I don't know which one to beat yet. Let's try Chimps, everyone. I've watched a lot of guides on how to beat Chimps. So first we get our Dart Monkey and a Boomer Monkey. We get the Dart Monkey for free. So here we go, time to beat Chimps. We have a very good start, and so I really appreciate all the kind words you guys have been leaving me on my comments. My brother has been a bitch lately, and he just keeps telling me, like, stop doing the fucking monkey game. But I won't ever do it, because you guys are the best, and I love all of yous. Looks like we're doing pretty swell. No issue here. We just gotta wait for those later rounds in which the danger occurs, in which we lose a lot of our monkey friends to the balloons. But hopefully that doesn't happen anytime too soon. I'm gonna save up for a super monkey. The super monkey is one of the strongest monkeys. So if I can get the super monkey, then we're gonna be freaking okay, everyone. So we're gonna... What are you doing on the computer? I'm playing Monkey Game. What did I tell you about the fucking Monkey Game? I don't know. I just wanted to play it. Get off the computer. Get off. Turn off the recording. I love Monkey Game. Never beat Chimps. I'll never beat Chimps. I'll never beat Chimps. never beat imps. I'll never beat him. I'll never beat him. I'll never beat him. I'll never beat him. I'll never beat chimps. I'll never beat chimps.